OMD is a professional seamless welding doors and windows enterprise, which is the founder to develop seamless welding technology. In the field of doors and windows, there is no gap in window sash, and the corners adopt a 5-rounded appearance.
Production edit.
Here is the aluminum extrusion workshop. Powder coating production line. Wooden transfer production line. A warm home is inseparable from the care of every detail. OMD has a first-class R&D team, constantly focus on every detail of the production process, and adopt a strict quality control system to ensure that every door and window reaches a high quality level. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us on Alibaba.com.